Teresa of Jesus. Teresa was born in Avila, Spain on March 28, 1550. Teresa loved to read the life of saints and martyrs. Teresa herself wrote down amusing stories of her childhood. Teresa read a book about the great Saint Jerome. She made up her mind to become a bride of Christ. Saint Teresa of Avila is famous for opening new Carmelite convents. These convents were filled with sisters who wanted to live holy lives. They made many sacrifices for Jesus. Saint Teresa was a great leader and a true lover of Jesus. She died on October 4, 1582 and was proclaimed a saint by Pope Gregory XV in 1622. Pope Paul VI in 1970 declared Teresa the first female doctor of church.